Model 2019 Peugeot Boxer 2.335 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro Spares OR Repairs ULEZ Euro 6 Body, white, panel van mileage, 132341 engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, none runner as the engine has seized. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £8,375. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.